So what does it mean to be certified to ISO 9001? Being a quality endorsed company is one thing, ticking the box is another, and actually having your quality assurance system work properly is a whole new ballgame. I've seen a lot of businesses that have ISO 9001, but they don't really have it embedded in their day-to-day processes. That's the difference with us here at Moxon. Quality is like doing the right thing, even when no one's watching. We have quality processes. We have quality in our documentation. We have quality in our traceability. We've got quality control over our materials. We've got quality in every single part of our business, and it's not added on, it's embedded in our system. And for our customers that do deal with us, everything is all about quality control and quality assurance. Yes, we are not perfect. We certainly try to be. And when we're not, we fix that mistake. We look at the short-term corrective action, the long-term corrective action, and then implement a system or a procedure or training to ensure that that problem doesn't happen again.